Hello! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any object into a 3D model and then download it or use it in your project inside ARLOOPA Studio. We'll be using ARLOOPA Factory for this process. First, open ARLOOPA Factory. To create a 3D model, we need to upload images of the object from all sides. Make sure you take clear photos covering the front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. The more angles you provide, the better the result will be. Once all the images are uploaded, click on Generate 3D Model. Keep in mind that generating models requires ARLOOPA coins, so make sure you have enough coins in your account before starting the process. After the model is generated, you can save the model directly to your computer or use it in your ARLOOPA Studio project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.